Is your PayPal account limited? This can happen for various reasons, like security concerns or verification needs. To lift these limitations, you usually need to verify your identity, and a photo ID is required. Make sure your ID is clear, unaltered, and includes your photo and name to meet PayPal's verification standards. Next, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Resolution Center. Select the limitation and click on Provide Photo ID. Upload your scanned document directly. Finally, submit your request and watch for updates in your account. Once you submit your ID, it usually takes a few hours to a few days to process your verification. Check your email regularly for notifications from PayPal regarding your account status. If any issues arise, you can reach out to PayPal customer support for assistance. Follow these steps, and you'll be able to use your PayPal account without limitations in no time. Remember, verifying your identity helps improve account security for everyone. Visit the PayPal Help Center for additional tips and information.